So we had to solve a couple of problems. The first is what David saw when they were installing was if they missed the stud or they missed the weld. They had all the studs measured, and they'd go to the shop and they'd weld it, and they'd come and it would be off by a second or a second. It'd be off by half an inch. Off, undo the weld, reposition it. So that's why we have this system where you can put the bracket wherever you want. What David wasn't thinking about was also how do you secure it to the railing. So that's where this came, this sort of a cam head system. And it really just bites in there. So you can get it to any stud or just, have the right, move them just for some visual symmetry. And as I was saying earlier, they support a ton of weight that, I think that the wall is coming down before any railing is coming out of the wall.